Everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. So today we are going to start a special session for Sainik and JNV exam 2025. So in this session we are going to some important and PYQ question. So it will help you in your exam. So you get your selection if you watch this video. So in this video we are going at about 20 to 30 question in each section. First of all, we start with mathematics. After that, we cover GK, then reasoning, and then English. So let's start the session. Myself, Manu, and I am the faculty of SD Campus. So I have more than 7 years experience. So in this video, we are going to talk about some important and previous year's question of Sainik and JNV 2025 exam. Okay, so let's start the session with the beautiful question. So this is the question. So what is the weight of 2 dozen biscuit if each biscuit weight is 4 gram? Very beautiful and very easy question, I think. So you have to find out what is the weight of 2 dozen biscuits. So first of all, you must know how many articles are there in 1 dozen. So 1 dozen is equal to 12 article. Am I right? 1 dozen is equal to 12 article. Hello, am I visible? And am I audible? Please let me know in the comment section so that we can proceed. I think everything is okay. There is no glitch, I think. Okay, thank you very much. So 1 dozen is equal to 12 articles. So we have to find out the weight of 2 dozen. So how many articles are there in 2 dozen? So 12 into 2 is equal to 24. So 2 dozen have 24 articles. And what is the weight of 1 article? Each biscuit. So what is the weight of 1 biscuit? The weight of 1 biscuit is equal to 4 gram. So what is the weight of 24 biscuit? So weight of 24 biscuit is 24 into 24. Answer is 96. I think you have understood very well. And this type of question are asked in examination of 2022. So I think so. This is very easy question. But most important thing is you have to do it in a 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, you can take 10 seconds at least because they have enough time in the exam. You have enough time in the examination so that you can proceed with the small trick and with especially you have to improve your calculation for this type of question. Okay, because in this type of question you have to increase your calculation speed. If your calculation speed is good, so these type of questions are, I think you will not face any type of problem in these type of questions. Okay, so let's start with another question. So let's proceed towards a new question. Very easy question. Choose the smallest possible 7-digit number that you can form using each of following digit. So you have to form a smaller digit number. Okay, sorry, smaller number using by these digit. Okay, but your number must be of 7-digit number. Got it or not? So first of all, we make 7 space 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Got it? We make 7 spaces. And now we have to create a smaller number. So let's start. On the first place, can we put 0? 0 cannot be put. Okay? Okay? On the first place, 0 cannot be put. So we will put a smaller number on first place. We will put a smaller number on the first place. Am I right? Is it okay? Now, the second place, you choose the smaller number. But on second, third, fourth, fifth, doesn't matter. 0 can be put anywhere. 0 can be put anywhere. So we can put 0 anywhere. 0, 0, okay, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is the smaller number, but the question is we have to use other digits also. We have to use other digit also. We have already used 1 and 0. Now we have to use 583 also. So you can use 0 anywhere except on the first place. Okay, you can use 0 anywhere, but you must use, you have to use 583 also. You have to use 583 also. So we can put 583 on the last. Okay, but increasing order. So which one is smaller? 3 is the smaller, then 5, and then 8. So your smaller number is 1000358. Option number D. So the correct option is D. Am I right? Is there any issue, any doubt? Please let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt. The first rule for this question is 0 cannot be put on the first place. Okay, 0 can be put anywhere, but you have to use other digits also, but in a increasing order. But 3, 5, 8, this is the increasing order, so you can place it 3, 5. Okay, done. Okay, in this question, repetition allowed. Repetition of digit is allowed. Okay, repetition of digits is allowed. Okay, it is not mentioned in the question, but it is obvious. Only 5 digits are available and we have to make the 7-digit number. So repetition of digits are allowed. Okay, now sum of place value underline digits in the given number. So first of all, you must know what is the place value of number. What is the place value of any number? Okay, so if I have a number, okay, let's take it that number 69528 Okay, so if I have to find what is the place value of 8, okay, so place value of 8 is, you have to put 8 here, and how many digits after 8? They are only one digit and you have to put 0 here, only 1 0. Okay, take another example. If I have to find the place value of 5, you have to find out the place value of 5. So put 5 here. How many digits are there after 5? Okay, how many digits are available after 5? Okay, so there are 3 digits, so you have to put 30 here. Give me a thumbs up and give a smiley in the comment section so that I understand you have understood very well. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I think all of you have understood. Okay, now proceed towards the question. So question is saying sum of the values of underlined digit in the given number. So we have to find the place value of only 2 numbers, 5 and 1. So what is the place value of 1 is? Place value of 1 is 1. How many digits after 1? There is no digit, so you cannot put 0 anywhere. Okay, done. Now second one is, what is the place value of 5? What is the place value of 5? So how many digits after 5? 3. So 5, and we will put 30 here. Give me a thumbs up if you have cleared this concept. Give me a thumbs up if you have cleared this concept. Okay, very good. Now the third is, in the next number 5348573. So how so we have to find place value of 7. So how many digits are after 7? So there is only one digit. So will put here 7 and we will put only 10. And then we have to find the place value of 3. Place value of 3. Okay. So place value of 3 is 3. How many digits are available after 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will put 50 here. And we have to add all these numbers. We have to add all these numbers. So how can we add? This is 3 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. Okay. Then 5,000, 70 and 1. Now we can add 170530. So answer is 305. Answer is 305071. Okay, option number A. Is it okay? Option number 1 is the correct option. I hope you have understood very well. Is there any doubt? Please let me know in the comment section. Very good. I hope. Okay, thank you very much. I think you have cleared all your doubts in these type of question. Okay. This type of question is very important for your examination because according to the last 3-4 years data, examiner asked this type of question each and every year. Okay, examiner asked this type of question in each and every year, okay, of your examination. So I give you a suggestion, please practice these type of question, okay, so it will make help you. Okay, got it or not? Give me a thumbs up if you have cleared your question. Thank you very much. So I give you another beautiful question. It is very easy question. So let me know in the comment section what is the answer of this question. So let me know in the comment section what is the answer of this question. What is the fraction the sum of shaded region present? What is the fraction of the shaded region represent? Okay. So what is the method to solve this type of question? So first of all, suppose I have a circle and I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 parts are here. So I have a total parts 8. Okay. And if I shade 3 parts, okay, if I shade 3. So what is the fraction of shaded region? So the funda is shaded portion must be your numerator and the total portion must be your denominator. This is your shaded portion and this is your total. Got it or not? This is your shaded portion and this is your what? This is your total portion. I hope you have cleared your doubt. Give me a thumbs up if you have cleared this type of concept. Okay, definitely you have cleared this. Now, I'm using this concept. I'm using this concept in this question. So in this question, what is the fraction of the sum of the shaded region? So if I check first one, if I check first figure, so how many sections are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your total portion must be your denominator. Okay. And shaded portion must be a numerator. How many shaded portions are here? There are 8 shaded portions. There are 8 shaded portions. Okay. So 8 upon 12. Got it? So what is the fraction in your first figure, shaded portion? So answer is 8 by 12. What is the fraction of your shaded figure in the second chapter? In the second figure, in second figure I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again 12. I have total 12 sections. Okay. Now how many sections are shaded? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections are shaded. Okay. How many sections are shaded? There are 5 sections are shaded. Okay, let me check. Okay, there is a mistake in this question. You have to put 1 here. Okay. Now, the options are incorrect. So this is a printing mistake. So, okay. Now, this is the shaded fraction of your. This is the fraction of your shaded part in first figure. This is the fraction of your shaded part of second figure. Now we have to add it. So denominators are same. So we can add the numerators. So 13 upon 12 is your answer. But 13 upon 12 is not in your option. So we have to check which option is correct. So can we change in a mixed fraction? Can we change this fraction into a mixed fraction? Sir, yes, we can change it. So 13 upon 12, that means 1 by 12. Can you change this? Can you convert into the mixed fraction? Can you convert into the mixed fraction? It is very easy. 13 upon 12 means 13 is divided by 12. So 12 1 is 12 and this is called your remainder. This is called your remainder. Okay. This is called your quotient. So quotient must be here and remainder we have to put in the numerator and your divisor must be in the denominator. Okay. So I think you have cleared this doubt. 1 by 12 is your answer. Okay. Any doubt? I think it is very easy to convert in the mixed fraction. It is very easy. So can we convert? Okay, let me know. Let me know what is the mixed fraction of. Okay. Let me know what is the mixed fraction of 9 by 5. Mixed fraction of 9 by 5. Let me know in the comment section very fast. Quickly. Come on, guys. Do fast. Okay. 9 by 5. So your mixed fraction is 1 4 by 5. Okay. It is very easy. When we divide 9 by 5, so 5 1 is 5. Okay. Remainder is 4. So your quotient must be here. Remainder must be your numerator and your divisor must be your denominator. So answer is 1 4. Okay. Now next question. Let's move to the next question. It is very easy question. Okay. I tell you, this time we are covering a portion of mathematics, but in the examination, some reasoning question are asked in the math section also. So doesn't mean this is not your maths part, but in previous year question, some reasoning type of question are asked in the mathematics portion. Already in 2022, this question was asked in your examination of Sainik School 2025 examination. Got it or not? Oh, 22 examination of Sainik School exam 22 examination. Okay. This question was asked in Sainik School 2022 examination. So I want to say this, if some question are asked in the mathematics portion, so don't worry, you have to solve according to your reasoning concept. So it doesn't mean it is a mathematics question, it is a reasoning question. Okay, this is a question of reasoning part. Got it or not? So no worry, you have to prepare yourself and be confident. Okay. Now, which one of the following figure is not a symmetrical? So let me know the answer. It is very easy question. Okay, orally you can say. Please answer this question. You answer this question orally. I know very well. Come on, guys. What does it mean by symmetrical? Symmetrical means if I cut vertically, so your left portion and right portion will be same as it is, as a mirror. Okay, symmetrical means mirror image type. Okay, got it or not? Okay, so this is your symmetrical part, equal part here, equal part here, same part here, same part here. So this is your symmetrical. Symmetrical means you have to divide into two equal parts, but in a same pattern. And same type. Okay, you can say. So same pattern left and same pattern of right is pattern of left is same and pattern of right is same, and they are also equal. So it is very easy, I think. So this is a symmetrical, this is the symmetrical, this is the symmetrical, but this is not the symmetrical form. Got it or not? So your option number C is the correct option. Okay, how many of you have done the correct? Okay, I forgot in the starting to say about something. You have to note down each and every question, and you have to give marks for each question. 1 marks you have to give yourself. Okay, and now in the last part, in the last minute, I will discuss how many questions are correct in this session, and you have to give the marks yourself. Okay, so I'm not a teacher this time. This time you are the teacher for yourself. Okay, done. Now start for the let's move to the another part. Which one is the following is not an equivalent to 5/7? Which one is not equivalent to 5/7? Okay. Do you know about simplification? What does it mean by simplification? Okay, I give you. 8/12. You can simplify it. Simplify means this is your numerator, this is your denominator. You have to divide numerator and denominator by a common number. Can you divide? That means if 8 divided by 12, so 8 divided by 2 and 12 is divided by 2. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12. So this is your simplification. Again, you have to check 4 and 6 also divide by a common number. Yes, 4 and 6 also divide by a common. 2 2s are 4 and 2. So this is the final fraction. Okay. After simplification, so 8/12 can be written as 2/3. So 8/12 is equal to 12/3. Both fractions are same. You can put in the equal manner. Both sections are same. You can put in the equal manner. Now tell me, this concept you have cleared or not? I think you have cleared this concept. So let's move to this question. Let's move towards this question. So this question is, which one of the following is not the equivalent fraction of 5/7? So you have to check first option, 15/21. So you have a common number to divide 15 and 21. Yes, 3 can divide 15 and 3 can divide 21. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 5/7. Okay, but we have to check which is not equivalent to 5/7. We have to check which is not equivalent to 5/7. Okay, so this is equivalent, so this is not your option. 45 and 56 can be divided by any common number? No, no number is common. I think so. Am I right? Okay. Can we check option number C? Yes, 5 can divide 25 and 35. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35. And this one, 2 5s are 10. So option number A, C, D are equivalent to 5/7. So these options are not your answer. So your correct option is option number B. Give me a thumbs up if you have cleared in your question. This is also your PYQ question. This is also your PYQ question. You can check this question already asked in your previous year examination. Okay, done. So let's start and let's move to the another beautiful question. This question come from mensuration topic. Mensuration topic. So you have to learn the, in mensuration topic, you have to learn the formulas especially, because mensuration is especially based on formulas. Got it? So let me know, what is this? This is the rectangle. This is called rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? L into B. Okay? This is your length, this is your breadth. Okay? What is this? This is the square. Okay? What is the area of a square? L square. Give me a thumbs up if you have done. If you have already known this concept or this formulas, give me a thumbs up please, because it is a very beautiful question and it is very easy for you. Okay, if this question come in your exam, then I think you can do it very well. Okay, so let me know the answer of this question if you know. So let's try. First of all, I have a rectangle and there are two portions are available in the rectangle. Okay. Now find the area of shaded part of the figure. Shaded part. So what is the shaded part? I tell you the shaded part. The shaded part is this one. Okay. This is all your shaded part. Got it? What is the shaded part? The portion remaining except from this type of figure. Okay. The remaining part is called shaded part. Okay. So in this question, we have to calculate the area of your shaded part. We have to calculate the area of your shaded part. Now, what is the area of your rectangle? What is the area of your bigger rectangle? Okay. L into B. What is L? 25. B is 9. Answer is 225 centimeters. Got it? So area of bigger rectangle is 225 centimeters square. Now we have to subtract the area of this rectangle, a smaller rectangle, and the area of square. Okay. Now we can find the area of shaded part. Okay. Now we have to find the area of a smaller rectangle. The area of smaller rectangle is 4 into 7 is 28. Area of a smaller square is 6 into 6. L square is what? 36. Now we have to find the area of shaded part. Very easy. We have to find the area of shaded part. So what is the area of shaded part? 225 minus the sum of these portion. That means 28 plus 36. So what is the value of 28 plus 36? 28 plus 36 is will be 8, 6, 14, 64. So your answer is 225 minus 64. So your answer is 161 centimeter square. Option number 8. Am I correct? Give me a thumbs up if you have done. Is it okay now? Is it clear to everybody? Is it clear to everybody? Give me a thumbs up or a smiley please. You are very intelligent students. I think so. You are very intelligent because you have done most of the questions very quickly. Okay, you have done very quickly and you have given the right answer of these questions. Okay, so I'm very impressed and I want to clap for you. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so now let's move to the another question. So this question is very important for you. What is the question? Please check. Convert this fraction into decimal. convert this fraction into decimal. So what is your approach? Your approach will be, first of all, we have to convert this mixed fraction into a simple fraction. So 15 1 by 25. Can you convert this into a simple fraction? What is simple fraction? Simple fraction is called P by Q form. Only numerator and denominator all. Only you must have numerator and denominator. Okay. Now, can we convert? Yes, we can convert. First of all, we have to multiply 15 into 25. So, what is the value of 15 into 25? 375. Okay, then you have to add this numerator. Your answer is 376 upon 25. Now we have to divide this number. Now we have to divide this number by 25. Okay. If your answer is this one, this option will be correct. This one, this option will be correct. So it is very easy question. But the main thing is, if you do in this manner, if you do it in this manner, it will take more time. So I give you a simple trick. Let's suppose, I'm supposing I have a mixed fraction. 2 6 by 7. Okay. So your number in decimal form is 2 point something. Your number in decimal form is 2 point something. Okay. What does it mean? It means that this is called your quotient part. This is called your quotient part. So that means the value of this fraction is 2 point something. Okay. Let me know in the comment section what is the value of this number. That means 14 point something. Clear? What is the value of this number? 7 point something. Clear? This concept. So what is the value of 15 1 by 25 is 15 point something. 15 point something. Whatever you have written. 15 point something. Which option is 15 point something? Only one option is 15 point something. So option number B is correct. I think it will take only 1 second if you have cleared this concept. So I don't think you have any doubt, you are facing any type of problem. So I think you have understood very well this question. So please note it down carefully, and you have to you have to use this concept in your exam. Okay, so be careful and you have to understand this concept, because this concept is very useful for your examination. You can use it very well. Okay, any doubt? Okay, I think no doubt is available here. So let's move towards another question. So what is the question? Please do in your way. Okay, do in your way. What will be the price of 7 chairs if the price of one chair is 7642.5? 764215. So it is very easy question. It is a, you can say, a unitary method. The price of one chair is 7642.45. Okay. What is the price of 7 chair? 7642.45 into 7642.45 into 7. Now we have to multiply this and we have to get the answer. Okay. 7 5s are 35, 3, 7 4s are 28 and 3 1. So answer must be 0.15. Okay, so this option is wrong. Now 7 5s are 35. We have 3, carry 3 here. 7 4s are 28, carry 3 here. So I have a carry 3. 7 2s are 14 and carry 3 7. So your correct option must be option number D. Because Okay, D and B are available because 7 is here and 7 here also. So again, 7 fours are 20, 7 fours are 28, done. 7 twos are 14, done. 17, I have carry 1. 7 fours are 28 and 1, 29 and carry 2. 7 six are 30, 42 and carry 2, 44 and again carry 4. 7 sevens are 49 and carry 2. 53497. Okay, so your correct option is 53497.15. Option number B is correct. I think you have cleared your doubt and you have understood very well. Okay, done. Any issue? Okay, now you have to done. Okay, now this portion is over this time. So now Ruchi ma'am will take your class of GK section. Okay, also she will cover your previous year question and also your important question. Okay, so for your examination 2025. Okay, so now I am inviting Ruchi ma'am for her class. Okay, ma'am, please.
So, hello everyone, how's you all? I think you are fine and doing your preparation well. This is time for entrance exam, right? Sainik School Entrance Exam. So, I am here and bring some interesting questions about journal science. Okay, are you ready for it? Please tell me once. If you are ready for it, then I will start this session. And before I'm going to start, please share this session with your friends so they can also benefit from here. Okay. So, shall we start it? Shall we start the session? Okay. So, yes. The first question is, which non-metal is highly reactive? Please note down that the question asks non-metal. It does not ask metal. It asks non-metal, highly reactive and use making in matchstick. I think this is very interesting question. So anyone want to answer it? I'll give you 10 seconds for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The correct answer is here phosphorus. Okay. The non-metal which used in matchstick, the upper part of matchstick made by phosphorus non-metal. Okay. Next question is rapid combustion. What is rapid combustion? When gas burn, it produces heat and light. When material suddenly burst into flame. When there is an evolution of heat, none of these. I think here you can apply elimination method also. Okay, none of these, it cannot be an answer. When there is evolution of heat, it can be. When material suddenly burst into flame, rapid combustion, I do not think this is the correct answer. When gas burn, it produces heat and light. Read the word heat and light. What is rapid combustion? When something burns and produce heat as well as light. So the correct answer is here option number A. Okay, this is rapid combustion. Remember the chapter candles and flame or combustion. You got that answer. Next question is here. There are following zone of flame. Very simple question. I think everyone know the answer. Can you guess? Guess it fast. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6, tick tick 7, tick tick 8, tick tick 9 and tick tick 10. Remember the diagram of candle flame. If anyone wants, do you remember the diagram of candle flame? First I draw the candle flame here. Okay, so you can answer it easily. This is the wax candle. Okay, and it is flame of its. Sorry, the outer part is blue. Okay, the inner part yellow and the last part is black. So I draw it blue color. These are the three sections. These are the three part of any candle flame. This is the hottest part. This is the outer zone, hottest part. Outer zone of candle flame. This is hottest section of candle flame. The next one is the middle part. This is moderately hot. Middle section or middle part. This one is moderately hot and looks like yellowish orange. Okay, moderate hot. The last one is the inner section of any candle flame, and this is the least hot, and the color of this section is black because of residue of carbon is present here. So if you count the three part inner zone, so you are able to answer this question. There are following zone of a candle flame. The correct answer is 3. There are 3 zones in any candle flame. Okay, let's move to the next question. Choose the incorrect sentence. Remember the word, notice the word incorrect. Incorrect statement from the following. Forest fires usually due to. Why forest fires happen? Forest fires are usually due to. Option A is carelessness of human. Option B is heat of the sun. Option C is cutting of the tree, and the last option is lightning strike. If you use your common sense here, you understand the carelessness of human. This is incorrect, because if people go in the forest for camping or something or some research, they bonfire there, so they left the burnt wood there. It can be a reason for forest fire. Okay, option C, heat of sun. Heat word is here, then fire, how the fire is not is here. Okay, so the heat is also can be a reason for forest fire. Heat of sun is also can be reason for forest fire. Cutting of trees. Cutting of trees, last option is lightning strike. Yes, in lightning strike the heat is also present, the current is also present, so it also can be reason for forest fire. So the only lefted option is cutting of trees. This is irrelevant. Yes, cutting of trees is responsible for global warming. Global warming. Right? But it does not responsible for forest fire. Okay? So the incorrect statement for this, the incorrect answer for this statement is cutting of trees. It is incorrect, but in this scenario, this is the correct answer. Okay? Let's move further. The calorific value of a fuel is expressed in units. Units are very important. Remember all the units. Learn all the units properly. Units are very important. Okay. So, in maths and in science in physics part. Okay. So, the calorific value of fuel expressed in unit called kilojoule per liter, kilogram per milliliter, kilojoule per gram, kilojoule kilogram, or I can write like this: kilojoule per liter, kilojoule per milliliter, kilojoule per gram, or kilojoule per kilogram. You want to try? You want to try the answer? Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6, tick tick 7, tick tick 8, tick tick 9, 9.5, and 10. Here the correct answer is kilojoule per gram. Sorry, kilojoule per kilogram, per kg. Okay. What is calorific value? Calorific value is the, like, if you have 1 kg of cow dung or any fuel and you burn, the amount of energy which is released is known as calorific value. Next question is, which of the following statements, again notice the word incorrect, for C and G. Anyone know the full form of C and G? Answer it. Anyone knows? Okay. I will tell you. Compressed. Note it down if you don't know then. Compressed natural gas. C and G. If you don't know, then note it down. Compressed natural gas. Incorrect statement for C and G. Option A is it can be easily transported through pipes. Option B, it is more polluting. It is stored under high pressure. It is used as fuel for transport vehicle. I think everyone know the answer. It is very simple question. The correct answer is it is more polluting, because the question asked incorrect statement for C and G. So here the correct answer is it is more polluting. C and G not polluting at all. It is the cleanest fuel. So the correct answer is it is more polluting. Let's move further. Which of the following is a conventional source of energy? Which of the following is a conventional source of energy? Read the question twice. Always read the question twice. Right? If you understand the question, the answer is very easy to give. Okay? So please read the question twice. It is more important to understand the question before giving any answer, right? So here, which of the following is a conventional source of energy? Do you know about conventional source? If you don't know, then I will tell you. Conventional means non-renewable. Non-renewable sources of energy? Is it biogas, firewood, solar energy, or wind energy? Anyone want to give answer? Please, please, please give the answer. Give the correct answer. The correct answer is firewood. Firewood is the correct answer for this question. Let's move further question. Which of the repeat it. Sorry. Match the list with list 1 to list 2. List 1 is cell organelles and list 2 its function. Okay, understand the question first. Easily, relax, calm down and read the question very, very, very easily in very calm state. Okay, match list with list 2. Okay, understand. List 1 says cell organelles, and in list 2 the functions are given here. Okay, first option is nucleus, second is cell membrane, chromosome and cytoplasm. Now here contains organelles, cell, control center of all activities of cell, transfer of characters, provide shape. Understand the question first, it is very important, then give the answer. Okay, so if you read here carefully, so you can understand that cell membrane something like limit or something like wall kind of thing, right? Strain kind of thing. So here nucleus, match the following correctly. Cell membrane provides shape. Okay. Chromosomes are genetic material, so they carries the characters of the previous species. Okay, so chromosome transfers of characters, right? Cytoplasm is the liquid which is present inside the cell. This is cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm is a liquid which is present inside the cell. It carries all the organelles. So, yes, contains organelles. The one option is left which is nucleus. So, if you see here A, B, C, A, match the column. A, second, okay, this can be answer. B, okay, C, okay, cytoplasm first. So the correct answer is option number A. I hope you like it. If you like this session, then please share it with your friends. These all questions are from previous year questions. Okay, PYQ from Sainik School and JNV Journal Science. Next question is, which of the following features help in distinguish a plant cell from animal cell? Remember the diagram of cell. Diagram of cell. This is cell membrane and this is also a cell. This is also a cell. This is plant cell and this one is animal cell. This is plant cell. Some organelles are here, nucleus is here, mitochondria are here, Golgi apparatus and something. Okay, this is animal cell. The cell membrane is present here. This is cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, which carries all the organelles. cytoplasm. 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 If you notice something is here, if you notice one thing is here, the cell membrane is here also present, and the cell membrane also present here. This is cell membrane. This is cell membrane. The thin lining which protects all the organelles inside the cell is called cell membrane. This is the thin lining and this is known as cell membrane. So cell membrane is an option. Yes, it is an option. So it cannot be an answer. Mitochondria, yes, it is a cell organelle. It is also present inside the cell. Nucleus, most common cell organelle, which is the center of the cell. So this is not the answer. This is not the answer. This is not the answer. The only option is left, which is cell wall. Yes, plant cells have cell wall. What is the function of cell wall? Cell wall is the rigid coating over the cell membrane and it protects cell membrane from the outsiders, or we can say the outside harms. Okay. Let's move the further. Which among the following statement is incorrect about all organelles? No statement is here. Let's move further. Identify the correct statement. Identify the correct statement about the cell. All cells have nucleus. Option B is cells of an organ have similar structure. If you take cells from one organ, the option says that they have similar structure. Option C is cells of a tissue have similar structure. Remember the chapter, the basic unit of life is cell. Okay, cell. The next thing, if two or more cells are combined, then they form a tissue. They form a tissue. After tissue and the one or more tissues combined, then they made organ. And if all the organs organized in a particular way, then they made a body. Okay, so cell is the basic unit of life, right? Option C says cell of tissues have similar structure. The cells of the one tissue have similar kind of structure. Last option is shape of all type of cell is round. This cannot be answered for sure. Okay, because if you remember the human body cell, the nerve cell have different kind of shape. The RBCs have different kind of shape. Brain cells have different kind of shape. So this cannot be answer. Option, now three options are left. All cells have nucleus. Cells of an organ have similar structure. No. Cells of a tissue have similar structure. If you take one tissue and under the microscope, you observe it under the microscope, then you find that all the cells of that tissue have the same structure. So the correct answer is cells of tissue have similar structure. Why this is not the answer? Why this cannot be an answer? Because remember eukaryotic cells. Okay. Next question. Which of these unicellular organism has no definite shape? Very simple question. Very easy question. The answer is amoeba. Next, which organelle is called powerhouse of the cell? Which organelle is called powerhouse of the cell? Option A, lysosome. option B, Golgi bodies, option C, mitochondria, option D, ribosome. This is also very easy question if you remember the chapter cell. This is revision class for you. So read this question, understand these question very carefully. Okay, these are the previous year question. Okay, so what is the answer here? Which cell organelle is called powerhouse? Powerhouse means it supplies all the energy. Remember the word powerhouse. Power means energy. Energy means ATP, the currency of energy. Which organelles function these energies? Fast. Lysosome? No. This is not the answer. Golgi bodies? No. This is also not the answer. Ribosomes? No. Never. They synthesize protein. Lysosomes are the suicidal bags. Okay. Golgi bodies? No. Mitochondria, this is the correct answer. The only one and only option is left here is mitochondria. Yes, mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. What is the kitchen of the cell? If I want to ask that what organelle is called kitchen of the cell, can anyone answer it? Kitchen of the cell. If they can ask the powerhouse, they also can ask about kitchen of the cell. What organelle is called kitchen of the cell? This is your homework. Okay, answer it in your next session. The genes are present in nucleoplasm, chromosomes, nucleolus, mitochondria. Genes, genetic material, genes. The organelle, or we can say, yes, the organelle which carried information from one generation to other, that is called genes. So genes are present in which organelle? Is it nucleoplasm? Is it chromosome? Is it nucleolus? And is it mitochondria? For sure mitochondria is not the answer. Okay, because in previous question I said that mitochondria released energy, it gives energy to cell, so it cannot be an answer. Now three options are left is nucleoplasm, chromosomes and nucleolus, nucleus. Okay, this is cell, this is nucleus, some liquid is present here. This is known as nucleoplasm. Okay, change the color here. Nucleoplasm. So is it the answer? I also gave a hint here. Is it the answer? Anyone? No. Nucleoplasm is also not the answer. Now two options are left. Nucleus? No. The one and only option left is here chromosomes. Yes, chromosomes are the organelle which carries information or which carries genes. Genes has information from your previous generation to next generation. They carries information. Okay, so the correct answer is here chromosome. Revision it fast. Next question, which organelle is responsible for converting light energy into chemical energy due to photosynthesis? Photosynthesis, light energy into chemical energy, reaction is photosynthesis. Very simple question, mitochondria, nucleus, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum. Please give answer fast. Again, tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6, tick tick 7, tick tick 8, tick tick 9, tick tick 9 and half, and 10. Here, the correct answer is chloroplast. Photosynthesis is the process converting light energy into chemical energy. So, photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis occur in plants, green plants, and the organelle which is responsible for changing light energy to chemical energy is chloroplast. Next question is identify the multicellular organism. I think this is the last question of this session. Let me check. Yes. Okay. Identify the multicellular organism from the following. Is it bacteria? Is it aspergillus? Is it paramecium? Or is it penicillium? Which of the microorganisms are multicellular? Bacteria, aspergillus, paramecium, and penicillium. Paramecium is not the answer. If you remember the chapter microorganism, friend and foe, paramecium is a unicellular, and this question is also given in cell chapter. Paramecium is unicellular microorganism. Unicellular. The microorganisms which have only one cell is known as unicellular. Example, amoeba and paramecium. Okay, so paramecium is not the answer. Bacteria, is it bacteria? Bacteria can be unicellular and multicellular both. Unicellular and multicellular both. Okay, they can be unicellular and multicellular both. So paramecium is not the answer, bacteria is not the answer. The option is B and D. Yes, aspergillus and penicillium. Penicillium is the microorganism which is responsible for making antibiotic, penicillin. Yes, the microorganism which is found on the plant, it is penicillium, penicillin. And option B, aspergillus, it kind of fungus, it is also a multicellular organism. So the correct answer is A only no, A and B no, B, C, D only no. The correct answer is option number D. So I hope you like this session. If you like this, then please subscribe SD Campus. And now your reasoning class will be organized on this platform. So don't go anywhere. Manu sir will hear in short while. Please don't go anywhere. Now, I hope you like this session. If you like it, then please share this with your friends and family. So students, Manu sir is here and he will take your reasoning session. Don't go anywhere. Manu sir is here. Okay. Okay.
So hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. So let's start the another concept. Now it is the time of the general intelligence. So let's start with the first question. Okay. So give me some time. So hello guys, let's start with the first question of reasoning. So now we are going to start a very important session for 2025 aspirants who are preparing for Sainik and JNV exam. So let's start with first question. In this session, we are going to discuss the some important question of reasoning and very important some previous year questions. So let's solve it and start with the first question. Which of the following option is an odd one? Which of the following question is the odd one? Okay. To find out the odd one. So what does it mean by odd one? The meaning of odd one is which one is different from other four. Okay. The one in a simple manner, I say one quality will be present in three options, but that will not be present in the another option. Okay, other option. So I have to find the other option. Okay, so which option is different, which have no quality, and that quality will be present in other three. Okay, so let's start with the first question. So what is the answer of this question? Let me know in the comment section, please. So PQRS, LMNOP, BCDE, FGHI. Okay, let's start. PQRS, they are in a simple manner. Okay, continuously. Okay, LMNOP continuously, BCDE continuously +1 +1 +1, FGHI +1 +1 +1. But what is the difference? Which one is different from the others? Okay, if we think about the number of letters, there are number of letters are 4, 4 and 4, and here is 5. So option number B is different. So which one is odd one? Odd one is option number B. Am I right? Say yes. Very good. Nice. Now come to the second question. 35 out of 70 people are diabetic. Which figure will depict the diabetic group? Okay, let me know. It means that which figure represent that 35 people are diabetic from out of 70 people. Okay, so this figure represent that the portion of the diabetic people. Okay, so what is a portion? So how can we find the portion? The number 35 will be your numerator, because the portion I have to find that will be your numerator, and the total value will be your denominator. So the portion is half. So which which option will be correct? So which option shows half of the figure? So option number A is the half of the figure. Okay, done. So let's try the next question. Okay, please do it now. Have you tried this? Figure this is embedded one of the four alternative. Find the alternative which contains figure this part is. Okay. So find out. Embedded means this figure is height in which figure. Okay. You can say this figure already present in which figure. So which option, in which option this figure is present. I have to check in which option this figure is present. So that option will be your correct option. Okay, done. Now I have to check. So I have a square and your this one. So in this option I have present, yes, option number B is your answer. Okay, I mark it. Okay, so that is a hidden figure present in the option number B. That is your hidden figure present in option number B. So your option number B would be correct option. Okay, clear one? Clear to everybody? Okay, let's try to the another question. We are going to find, fill the blank, which one the option given below, which is line in this sequence. Okay, these pairs are in a sequence. We have to find the next one. Okay, we have to find the next one. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's check. How can we solve it? This is your P, plus 1 Q, then again plus 1 R. Okay, the first letter of each portion I have to check. The first letter of each portion I have to check. P, Q, R, then again is S. Okay, so I have found out the first letter of the fill in the blanks. Okay, of the first letter of the blank. So your option must be A and D, but B and D will not be the correct. Okay, let's check the second one. U, V. If we go U to V, that means I have add one letter. V, W, I have again added one, and after W I have added one, X. So your answer is SX. That is your option number A. Don't check for the third one. Don't check for the third one because I have got my answer, so I don't need it. Okay, so in exam you have to do same manner. If you have found out your answer, then don't need try to any other thing. Okay, in a simple manner you have to solve it. Firstly I have checked first letter of each portion, then I checked second letter of each portion, then I check third letter of each portion. But I don't think so is there any point to check the third option. Actually I have found out my answer according to first and second letter, so I got my answer. So don't need it and you can solve it very well. Okay, I think you have understood. all of these things? Would you like to say something? Okay, I think there is no doubt from your side. Let's try to the next question. This question related to your analogy part. This question related to your analogy part. Okay, this question related to your analogy. What is mean by analogy? Analogy represent the relation between two terms. Analogy represent the relation between two terms. It will be your mathematical approach, it will be your alphabetical approach, it will be your common sense approach. So this question will depend on your common sense approach. Got it? This question represent your common sense approach. Done? So let's try. Grain is related to your warehouse. That means grain generally is stored in where? Grain generally stored in warehouse. Got it? Now water is stored in where? Come on, come on. Try. Water stored in dam. Dam is the correct option. Dam. Okay, grain are kept in warehouse and water are kept in dam. Okay, because dam is made for the storage of water. Okay, for the storage of water, and warehouse is made for storage of grain. Okay, done. Your rice, your pulses, any other things are stored in the warehouse, and okay, and water is stored in dam. Okay, let's try to the another question. Again, this question is related to your analogy portion, and this question is very simple, because all of you can do it. And also I have to told you, this question already your PYQ question. That means this question is from previous year question. Okay, I found out from previous year question. So let's try this question. Is smoke related to pollution? Okay, that means smoke generates or makes pollution. Am I right? Am I right? Smoke make pollution. Okay, smoke related to pollution. Okay, let me know, pollution is the positive word or negative word? Is it clear? It is obvious. Pollution is a negative word, and we have to found war is related to. So again, this is your negative word. So war will be related to something negative word. So firstly, we have to check in my option which option is a negative word. Peace is not negative word, victory is not negative, treaty is not negative, only destruction is negative word. So your option number is D. Clear? How can it be correct? Smoke, okay, polluted, okay, your environment. So war destruct your what? Country. Okay, war destruct your country, your land. Okay, any other thing. So your negative, so we can choose. If we don't know how can it be possible, how can it be solved, so only you can check this word is negative, then your answer would be negative. So which option is negative? Destruction portion is, destruction word is negative. Clear? Okay, let's try to the another question. MMO. This is not 0, this is OO. OO. Okay, this is not a 0, this is O. Okay, let's try. MOOQQSS question mark. Which letter comes after M? M. Okay, so Okay, M M O O Q Q S S. Okay, if I plus 2 in M, so I will get O, M and O. After again plus 2, O P Q, I get Q. Again plus 2, Q R S, I get S. Okay, again plus 2, I will get S T U. Okay, but I have two options, A and C. In A and C options, U is available, but in first option, the smaller U is available, and in the third option, capital U is available. Got it? So which option would be correct? So I check. Firstly, I have smaller letters, then I have capital, then smaller, then capital, and now this time, which will come? Smaller or capital? So I know smaller will come. So your answer is UU. Option number is A would be correct. So give me a thumbs up if you have corrected. Done. I hope you have done very well and you have understood each and every concept. Now let's try to the another concept. Let's try the another concept. Okay, let's move towards next question. What the question is? There are 4 buildings in a residential complex ABCD. Each one is of different height. D is only shorter than B. Okay, this is which one is shortest. So I have to find which one is the shortest. Okay, let's try. Okay, you have 30 seconds. You can try this. This question is also very important because the examiner already asked this type of question in your previous examination. Okay. This question already has been asked in your previous examination. Shall we try? Okay, let's try. There are 4 buildings in a residential complex ABCD. Each one is of different height. D is only shorter than B. If I go in a decreasing order, okay, I choose a decreasing order. Okay, bigger to smaller. D is the only shorter than B. D is only shorter than B. That means D is on the second number and B is on the first number, because it means D is shorter only than B. Is it okay now? D shorter only than B. I think it is correct. Done. A is shorter than D. A shorter than D. So that means after D I have 2 places. A shorter than D and A will come one of these 2 places. Okay, A will come on one of these 2 places. So A will come on the last, on the second last. Okay, so A is shorter than D and C also. Okay, D and C also, but C is not here. Okay, then C will be on your third part and A will be shorter than D and C. So I can say that, okay, definitely A will be the shortest among all of them. So answer is option number A. I hope you are correct and you are very intelligent. Most of you have given the right answer. So I hope and I hope you will do very well in your examination. Definitely, I know. Okay. So I think you have done correctly. Give me a thumbs up if you have understood very well and if you are feeling very fun. So is it beneficial session for you? Please give me a thumbs up. Yes, I know. It is very beneficial for you. Okay, thank you. Now let's move towards next question. Let me know the answer of this question. we have to find the next one of the we have to find the value of the question mark, because these numbers are basically in a sequence. That means this is your first number and this is your second number. Now we have to check what is the pattern in this series. We have to find the pattern in this series. Okay. So let's try to find out the pattern. Okay. 4 to 12. Okay. When we go from 4 to 12, that means I have multiplied by 3. Again, I will multiply by 3, then I will get 36. Again, multiply by 3, I will get 108. Again, multiply by 3, I will get 324. Again, multiply by 3, I will get what? 972. So your option number D would be correct. Clear to everybody? Give me the thumbs up if you have understood very well. I think so. This question is very easy. Okay, and you have done correctly. So I appreciate. Okay, and I'm impressed with your confidence, with your practice, and with your knowledge. Okay. Okay. Now, firstly, you have to tell me this question will come from which topic? Okay. From which topic this question will come? Okay. Very nice. This question is from the topic dice. This question is from the topic dice. Very good. Okay. Now, let's try the question. I have two figures of dice. I have two figures of dice. First figure represent 3, 2 and 4. The second figure represent 3, 6 and 5. Am I right? First figure represent 3, 2, 4. Second figure represent 3, 6, 5. Am I right? Very good. Now, the question is saying, identify the number at the bottom when top is 5. If 5 is on your top of the dice, okay, what will be the number on the bottom of the dice? Okay? Okay. If 5 on the top and which one on the bottom? That means opposite of 5 I have to get it. So, I have a beautiful trick for this question, and for the dice question already I have discussed before in the last session, okay, about the dice, and I have told you the tricks of the dice and find out this type of question. Okay, so let's try the trick. Okay, firstly, in the tricks is saying, firstly you have to check which number is common. So I check 3 is common in these two figures. 3 is common in these two figures. Now I have to move clockwise direction from the common one. From the common one, I have to move clockwise. So I will get 3, 4 and 2. Am I right? I will get 3, 4 and 2. Give me a thumbs up if you have done it correctly. And then the next figure, I will move clockwise 3, 5 and 6 clockwise. Got it or not? You can make it or not. 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now you have to check which number is corresponding to 5. The corresponding to 5 is 4. So your answer would be 4. Okay. So the opposite of 5 would be 4. Opposite of 5 would be 2. And opposite of 3 would be the new number. Okay. Fine. So what is the opposite of 5? The opposite of 5 would be the 4. Got it or not? Please let me know in the comment section if you have done correctly. Come on. Okay, let's try the another question. Please do it now. And firstly, you have to tell me from which topic I have given it. The topic name of this question is blood relation. The topic name of this question is blood relation. Am I right? The topic name of this question is blood relation. Okay, let's try. The topic name is blood relation. Clear to everybody? Now, first of all, in the blood relation, first of all, I have to make a diagram. I have to draw a diagram of the passage, or you can say the information. Okay, I have to draw a diagram of this information. So let's try to draw the diagram of the information. Okay, so let's try this. Firstly, I have information R is K's sister. R is the sister of K, you can say. So I will draw a diagram. R is the sister of K. Clear? P is K's brother. P is the brother of K. Got it? O is the T's father. O is the father of T. Clear? O is the father of T. O is T's father. Who is S brother? Who is S brother? Let me check, is there any mistake? Who is O is Oni? This is Q. Q is T's father. Okay, there is a printing mistake. So I have to skip this question because there is some mistake in this question. So I have to skip it. Okay. So I will definitely resolve this question and I will try to tell you in the next session. Okay. There is some issue. There is some printing mistake or there is some typing error. I think so. So there is some mistake. Okay. Let's try to do another question. Okay. Try this. This is a all again. I have a sequence based question. I can say 3 to 4 question each and every year. Each and every year 3 to 4 question are asked related to sequence. It can be number sequence, it can be alphabetical sequence, it can be figure sequence. Okay, sequence of figure. So it will be based on sequence of figure, based on the number, based on the alphabet. So already each and every year 3 to 4 questions definitely asked in the examination. So I will tell you definitely in 2025 this type of question will be asked in your examination. So you have to practice from SD Campus book so you can resolve it and you can solve it. Okay, let's practice of these type of question. Which figure among the 4 alternative BCD would replace the question mark? So I have to check the pattern in these 3 figures. And then I have to find what would be the next figure. Okay, what would be the next figure? So in the first figure, I have a circle. In the first figure, I have a circle and the arrow is at the bottom. I have a circle, arrow is here, arrow. Okay. What do you understand from these figures? I understand I moved 90 degree towards here, clockwise. Okay. Arrow was here. Okay. Then 90 degree moved clockwise, arrow was here. Okay. Then I moved clockwise, arrow was here. Okay. Now again 90 degree clockwise, arrow will be here. So your answer is option number B and C and D. I have 3 options. B, C and D. A would not be your answer. Okay. Now, this is the first thing. Now, let's check this bigger point. Okay. This bigger circle or this shaded circle. Okay. This shaded circle was in the first portion was here. Then it was here. Then it was here. That means it moved from here to here, okay, then here, and then will be here. So in the final portion your point will be here. So your option number D would be correct, not B and C. Okay, am I right? I've checked two things. This is the smaller circles arrow and this shaded circle. Okay, I hope you have understood very well. So what do you think? It will be easy or tough? What do you think? It will be easy. It was easy or tough? What's your opinion? Please let me know in the comment section. What do you think? Very nice, very nice. This will be easy. Something common sense I have to use in this question. I have to use the common sense in this question. Okay, very nice, very nice. Now let's try to the another question. Let's move toward the next question. What would be the which sign will be here on the place of a star, or which sequence would be correct? Okay, 7, 7 and 2, but okay, listen. 7, 7, 2 and 1. I will get 12. Okay. Which sequence of mathematical symbols can replace star? Which sequence of mathematical symbols will replace star? So, what is the method to solve this question? I have to check the value, or you can say I have to check which sign will be here on the place of blank. Okay, which sign will be present on the place of blank. Okay, so let's try to check the first option, cross divide, and this will be negative. This is your negative sign. So cross divide, I have to check one by one each option, one by one each option. So 7 into 7, 49, 49 divided by 2. Okay, so I have to apply board mass. The board mass will say I have to divide. 7 by 2 is 3.5. Is 3.5. Now 3.5 into 7, 7 3s are 21. Okay, that will not be your answer. I think so. That will not be your answer. Okay, done. So this not be your correct option. Now check option number B. Plus, minus, then multiply. So firstly, what will you do? Firstly, I will do according to the board mass, divide, multiply. So divide sign will not be here. Okay, it's not here. Now I will do multiplication. So 2 into 1 is 2. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 minus 2 is 12. I think option number B is correct. Okay, clear? Clear to everybody? Done? Very nice, very nice, very nice. Now try it. Let's try it to the another question. Can you do it? Can you do it now? Let's try this. So I think this is your homework. Okay. So this is your homework this time. You have to tell me what is the correct answer of this question. Please let me know in the comment section. So this is your homework part. So please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot of this question and let me know in the comment section which option would be correct. This is a common sense type of question. So you have to solve it very carefully. Okay. So now it's the time of your Juhi ma'am. Okay, so he will take your English class. Okay, so I hand over to this.
And hello students, how's you all? Am I audible to you all? Okay, let's start this session of English. First thing I want to ask, you enjoyed the session of reasoning? Tell me first. If you are enjoying, then show me a thumbs up. Okay. Yes. So this is your English class, okay? And this session, I will tell you about articles, and we will discuss some previous year questions about the articles, okay? So first thing which I want to let you know about articles. I think everyone heard about articles, right? The word a, an, and the. These three words are known as article. I'm damn sure that everyone knows it. Okay. So, article a and the. Words a and the. A and an and the. These words are known as articles. Okay. So, articles. But these articles also classified into two groups. These articles also classified into two groups. One is definite and the other one is indefinite articles. Definite and indefinite articles. What are definite articles? What are indefinite articles? Or I can say why articles is used. Why article? Why? What is the need of an article? What is the need of an article? What is the use of an article? These type of questions come in your mind. Don't worry, I will clear all these questions. Okay. So, word a and an. These two words come under the category of indefinite articles. Indefinite articles, right? And only the word comes under the category of definite article. Definite article. I hope you are all clear about this. If any doubt is here, then you can ask, you can raise your hand and ask the question. I'll give you that answer. Okay. So indefinite article and definite article, right? What is the use of an article? What is the use of an article? Article used before noun to modify them. Article used before noun. Why? To modify them. Use of article is modify noun. To modify a noun. Article used before noun to modify them. Article divided in two categories. One is definite and the other one is indefinite. Indefinite articles a and an. Definite articles the. Only the word come under the category of definite articles. Why? What are the differences between definite and indefinite articles? See, definite article always use definite article is always used before the word which we have already known or we have already talked about. Okay, definite articles used before the noun, the right word is noun, which we have already talked about, right? For example, I have a car. Here I use indefinite article because and no one knows what car is, right? I have a car. I use car word first time and car is a noun, right? So I have a car which is the fastest. I have a car which is the fastest car of the world, right? So here I use the, right? When first time I am talk about car, I use a. Is indefinite article because no one knows about the car, and I use first time this word car. Here the noun word I use first time here, so I use either here a, and after that I use the, which is definite article because now I already told you that I have a car, so I use here definite article, definite word which is fixed, right? So what is article? Article, word a and the are called articles. Articles used before noun to modify them, right? Articles are of two types, definite and indefinite. In indefinite articles come words a and definite articles only word the. Sometimes we pronounce it the and sometimes we pronounce it the. The and the. When it is pronounced the and when it is pronounced the. Whenever the word the, the is used before any word which is started by a consonant, then the pronunciation is the, like the sun. But when the first letter of a word is a vowel, then the pronunciation is changed to the, like the earth or the earth. The sun, the earth. Okay, so the first letter of the word sun is S, which is consonant, and the first letter of the word earth is E, which is a vowel. So sun and earth, the and the. Don't be confused in the and the. The is used before if the first letter of the word is consonant, and if the first letter of the word is vowel, then pronounce it the. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please share this session with your friends and family. Okay? It is very beneficial because later I will discuss about some questions of previous years. Okay, so when we use a and when we use an, the is fixed, but when we use the next question you will ask that ma'am, when a is used and when an is used, no worries, I will tell you. If the first letter of any word has consonant pronunciation, not a word, not a letter, I am not saying letter, I am saying if the pronunciation of a word is a consonant, then always use A. And if the pronunciation of the word is vowel, it sounds like vowel, then use an. What are consonant and what are vowels? Consonants and vowel. Everyone know there are 5 vowels in English alphabet: A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, and U. The other word comes under the category of consonants. Okay. So, A, E, I, O, U. If the pronunciation word is A or E or I, O or U, then you always use and before that noun. Okay. For example, an honest man. Honest man. I write honest. The spelling of this word honest is started by H, which is a consonant, but the pronunciation is an. Okay, so here I use an, but a boy is standing there. There. Here I use a because the first letter of the word boy is a noun, and the first letter of this word boy is consonant, so I use a. Okay, now I hope you got it, all the information, all the mini information, or can I say revision kind of articles, right? So let's move further on the questions. Here you have to find some error. If any, in the following question, find out the part which has an error. If there is no error, your answer is D. You have to find out some errors. If there is no error, then mark D. Okay. First question. Read the question very carefully. It was by a mistake that he injured her hand. No error. First sentence is it was. Next part is by a mistake. Next part that he injured, and the next part, injured her hand, and the last part is no error. Find out what is the error here. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me about the error? What is an error is here? Please, 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 fast, fast, fast. Okay, okay. So, it was by a mistake. By a mistake. I think a is not needed here. Right? By a mistake? No, by mistake. It was by mistake that he injured her hand. So the error part is option number B. So the correct answer is option number B. Let's move to the next question. Again, in the following question, find out the part which has an error. Same question. You have to find error here, and if there is no error, then you can mark D. Right? The police asked us about, first part, the police asked us A, about our movements. Part B, on a night of crime. Part C, no error. Is any error there? Tell me. Is any error there? If there is an error, then tell me. Tell me the correct answer here. Fast, 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 fast. You have no time. Fast. Again, read the question. The police asked us about our movements on a night of crime. No error. What is the answer? Okay, okay, okay. Answer is option C. On a night of crime. No. The police asked us about our movement on the night of crime. On the night of crime. The night is fixed here. This word is fixed. Okay, night. So, here the correct answer is the, and the error part is option C. So, correct answer is option C. Next question. In the following, again, you have to find error here. He is, part A, he is best player in India. No error. Is any error there? Is any error there? Tell me first. Okay, okay, okay. I'm starting counting. Tick, tick 1, tick, tick 2, tick, tick 3, tick, tick 4, tick, tick 5. The correct answer, or I can say the error part, is best player, option B. Here, the definite article, which means the have to come. The has to come here. He is, the correct answer is he is the best player. The best player in India. In India. He is only one. He is only the best player. When we talked about something specific, then always used the before the noun. Always use the before noun. So here the word, which means definite article has to come. So the correct answer is he is the best player in India, which means your error occurred in part B. Best player. No, the best player. Right? Next question. Again, error. Akbar became a heir to the throne at a young age of 13. No error. First part, Akbar became a heir to the throne. B part, C, a young age of 13. D, no error. Is any error there? Tell me first. Tell me first. Yes, yes, yes. Article error. Article error. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Find the error. Find the error. Very fast. Okay, 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 okay. Yes, the answer is option number A, or I can say the part A. Akbar became a heir. Here, word heir. The spelling started with H, but the pronunciation is air. Air. Yes, this air. The pronunciation is air. A-I-R. Air. Okay. So, instead of A, an has to come here. Right? What is the correct answer? Option number A, Akbar became an heir. Now it is correct. An heir to the throne at a young age of 13. right? So what is the error in this sentence? N. We have to use N here because the pronunciation of the spelling H-E-I-R is air. Okay? And as I told you earlier that if the pronunciation of the word, if the pronunciation of any word is a vowel sound, then we have to use N before the noun. Okay? I hope you guys got it. Next question. Again error. It is only after the match is over that people realize how exciting it is. No error. Find the error. It is only after the match is over people realize how exciting it is. No error. Answer me first. Fast. Is it A part? Is it B part? Is it C? Is it D? What? Or no error? Fast. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5. Here answer is it is only after a match is over, part B. Okay, let's move further. Now fill in the blanks. Choose the most appropriate article to fill in the blanks. If no article is required, your answer is D. You have to fill an article here, and if no article is required, please mark D. Right? The first blank is I praise blank honesty of this boy. What is the answer? A and D or no article required? What is the answer? Tell me fast. Yes. Tell me fast. You guys are very smart, right? Tell me fast. I hope you got the article here, and if you understand what is the article, then you are able to answer here. The correct answer, the accurate answer. Please answer fast. Option A, B, C or D. I praise honesty, again honesty of this boy. Is any article required here? I praise honesty of this boy. Honesty. Is any article required there? I praise a honesty of this boy. No. I praise the honesty of this boy. No. I praise an honesty of this boy. It can be no article. What is the correct answer here? I praise honesty of this boy because articles always placed before a noun. Is honesty word is a noun or an adjective? Right? So, no article. Next, by, again fill in the blanks. By blank united struggle, we may achieve success. By a united struggle, by an united struggle, by the united struggle, or no article required. What is the answer? Is it A and D or no article required? Please tell me the answer. Fast. All the questions which I gave you here is all previous year questions, so don't worry about it. Most important question is about the article. I bring all the question topic wise, so these questions are from the topic article. Now answer first. By a united struggle, we may achieve success. The correct answer is A. Next, let's go out for walk. The A and no article. This is, I think, simplest question which I gave you here. Let's go out. This is very common question. Everyone says let's go out for the lunch, for the dinner. So similarly, let's go out for a walk or the walk or an walk, and no article is not the answer. Only two options are left, the or a. What is the correct answer? Let's go out for a walk. The correct answer is option B, not A. Yes, all the people who answered the wrong. You are wrong, guys. You are wrong. Next question. Choose the most appropriate. Again, fill in the blanks. Okay. What kind of watch do you want? And the A, no article. This is your revision class of article. So answered very fast. If you are going to prepare for, or if you are going to give your examination, then you know the answer. I think please answered every question with accuracy, right? What kind of an watch? No, not possible. The watch, maybe. Let's mark it. A watch, maybe. No article, no. This is not at all in our options. So what kind of watch do you want? What kind of a watch do you want? What kind of the watch do you want? What kind of a watch do you want? Correct answer is option C. Choose the most appropriate. Again, now we have interesting book and A, the, no article, and A, the, or no article. Right, fast. Answer. Yes, now we have an interesting book. Correct answer is option number A. He first met me blank year ago. Year. Pronunciation is year. Year or year? He first met me a year ago, an year ago, or the year ago. Or no article required. The is not in the option. Again, no article, also out. Now only two options are left, an or a. He met me first a year ago or an year ago? A year ago. Yes, right. He met me first a year ago. He patted her on shoulder. The A and no article. He patted her on a shoulder. He patted her on a shoulder, on the shoulder, on an shoulder. And no article. Both are eliminated here. Now two options are left, the or an. He patted her on the shoulder or a shoulder. He patted on a shoulder. Right? Next, I want to appoint, simple, very simple. I want to appoint the assistant, assistant, an assistant, and no article. I want to appoint, notice the word A, an assistant. I want to appoint an assistant. Yes, the correct option is option number C, an. Okay. Honest man always speak truth. Truth is also noun. So what is the correct answer here? Always, honest man always speak the truth, a truth, and truth, no article. Because If you notice the word T, so, and its pronunciation also T, truth, right? So, consonant. So, and gone, no article, gone. Now only two options are left, the or a. Honest man always speak the truth or a truth. Answer fast, 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 fast. Very nice, very nice. Yes, yes, yes. Honest man always speak the truth. Right? Correct option is option number A. Bible is a religious book of Christians. A and the. What is the correct answer? Option A. Remove this no article. Okay. Now only three options are left. A and the. What is the correct answer? Fast, fast, guys. Fast. Answer first. Okay, 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 okay. A Bible? No. Bible is definite. Bible is definite. So, the Bible is religious book of Christians. The correct answer is option number C. Next question. It is too difficult blank problem to be solved. It is too difficult blank problem to be solved. It is too difficult the problem to be solved. It is too difficult a problem to be solved. It is too difficult and remove. It is no article removed. So only two options are left here, the or a. Again, it is too difficult the problem to be solved or it is too difficult a problem to be solved. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Here the correct answer is it is too difficult a problem to be solved, right? So, okay, this is all about this session. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, then please subscribe SD Campus and also tell your friends, then subscribe SD Campus Sainik JNV English channel, right? Languages, no barrier here. So you can subscribe Sainik JNV channel for English and Sainik JNV SD Campus both. You can subscribe both. If you like the session, then please share this session. I hope you like it. Thank you so much and let's meet in the next session. Bye bye. Till then, take care.